Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem Grubhub gift card. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To redeem Grubhub gift card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.grubhub.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Grubhub's website. Now first, make sure you are signed in to your account. After signing in to your account, click on the profile icon at top right section of the website. Then here you can see gift cards option. Click on gift cards. Then you'll be taken to gift card sections of the website. Here you can see two options at the right side of the website, that is buy a gift card and redeem a gift card. Click on redeem a gift card. Now here you need to enter the gift card number. The gift card number is of 17 characters. Make sure you check your gift card and enter the correct gift card number. After that, click on add to my account. Now continue with the further process, then you'll be able to redeem your gift card. This is how we can redeem Grubhub gift card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.